Are you in your mid-50s and do not have anything in your retirement? If you are in that criteria, which I am, pick me. The typical way to save is starting a business. Because the typical way to save in a retirement is to put 10% of your income, 20% of your income, or 30% of your income. This is called wealth accumulation. So instead of waiting for your job, or even starting a new job, because I lost my job last year, it is best to start a business either while you have a job part-time, or for me, I started right now. I have found this blueprint, and it has taught me how to make passive income by having an automated business. Now, I read that Warren Buffett said, in order to make wealth, you need to make money while you sleep. The automated business is doing the work for me, and I can be sleeping or out doing other things. The blueprint has also taught me how to make $600 a day, which is $219,000 a year. And within 5 years, I could have $1 million racked up into my savings account. It has showed me how to create an email list. And my mentor says email equals income. I spent a very low investment of $600. I paid a $59 website fee. I paid $1 for my domain and $12.99 for my professional email address. Within the blueprint came this total amazing, like-minded community that is there to teach you and mentor you and guide you by giving you live Zoom calls on mentorship. And like tomorrow night, I get to be mentored by Laura St. John's. Look her up. She's a mindset coach. There is so much more value than working 8 hours a day. But if you do work 8 hours a day and want a little bit more income, this would be a great part-time. It's beginner friendly. It's step by step. And if you want to start saving for your retirement so you can retire by the age of 62 or whenever, put more information in the comments and I'll be happy to share.